Have you ever looked into your pantry and found something like this? This is my pantry. It's not very organized. This is Tidy. It's a tool that we're starting to make that will help us clean up the pantry and give recommendations on how to be less of a mess.
And this is Rock Climber. It's gonna help me climb V8s in a couple months from now. Our pantries, under the sink, and closets are a wreck. So we have two goals: clean up our lives, and we have to get to the next level in rock climbing. These are the spectacles, a pair of AR glasses made by Snapchat. Yes, you heard that right. Snapchat is making a pair of AR glasses that will be released later this year.
My friend gave me this book called Home Edit. I had never heard about it before. It's a guide to organizing and realizing your house goals. They have a Netflix show. It's time to clean up my life with technology. The spectacles will be great for these two apps because we need to take real-time pictures while we're doing the thing, and we need our hands for rock climbing.
I like to rock climb a lot, so we had this idea. We can make rock climbing even more fun by adding grabbable items while climbing on any route.
We're going to combine our two goals, learn how to build on spectacles, and build these two useful apps for organizing your space and getting better at rock climbing. So how does this work? How do you build on spectacles? Well, Snap built something called Lens Studio, and then Lens Studio can deploy onto spectacles. Lens Studio is a game engine essentially, and that uses TypeScript. So we have to download Lens Studio and learn a bit more about TypeScript. So this is our channel. It's Duo Devlogs. A little confusing because we're working on two separate projects. We spent the whole week working on our two separate projects. It's rock climbing and Tidy for now. We downloaded Lens Studio, we started deploying from our Macs to the spectacles directly, and we made a lot of progress in our two prototypes. For rock climbing, we made a single player prototype that you could climb and grab your grabbables, and for Tidy, it's giving me recommendations on how to fix my messy pantry.
First, you put on the glasses and start setting up a route on your V grade of choice. You place these grabbable items along the rock climbing holds. Then you hit the start button. The timer keeps track of how fast you are doing the climb, and at the same time, you have to pick up all the items along the route. So it'll not only be a race against time, but also getting all the items as fast as possible. Now, I can keep a track of all my times and scores and actually know that I'm getting stronger and faster. We also have a 2-player time trial mode. In this mode, I can race against someone else and try to get a faster time than them. We take turns and I beat them every single time. That's how I'm gonna get to V8s.
With Tidy, you can log in. It keeps track of all your previous spaces, and then you can create a new space. You can take a picture of your mess of a pantry like me, and then afterwards it will upload to our service, it will process, and then figure out what recommendations aesthetically and organization wise, what containers you should buy, and it will give you some summary of some tips that you should follow. And then afterwards, you can view what products you need to buy and bookmark, as well as check the inventory of items that it thinks that you have.